What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back. So I got these BearCat Uniden BearCat BC20 speakers installed. These are for my Wouxun KG-1000G plus 50-watt mobile radio. So I have the radio set up. The radio chassis is set up under the seat right here. And the face is actually up here mounted on my Rago fabrication bridge plate that is on my Mole panel. There's the mic right there. So I have it actually set up on a Y splitter at the moment, which is a single female or a single male to dual female. And this radio has two channels, so it's got channel 1 and channel 2 you can listen to. So these speakers are only listening to this channel right here. I'll show that again, guys, because I had it unplugged, but
channel mode.
There you go. So they're basically set up, they're stereo speakers. So stereo setups do work on this radio. And I'm sitting in here because it's sprinkling. So I did order I actually have two Y cables here. So I did order, I kind of just taped over that one because it wasn't in use at the moment. This, well, it looks like that one got bent for some reason. Interesting. So I did order a dual male to single female. So I'm going to convert the connection on this. Let me move you guys over here. So I'm going to convert the connection where you have one of these females right here, one of these females, and you're going to have two of these males. So I can plug both of the males into the radio channel slot, and then yeah, I'm not really sure how that got bent. That's interesting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert it so there's going to be two males going into the back of the radio, which is going to allow both of these channel slots. So if I switch area, you can see now Lemon shows up. And there we go. So now there's two stations active.
063.
And you can see how that one,
064.
the sound's coming from the speaker down here, because these speakers aren't plugged into that channel. If I switch over to there, to the Pinal 675, you're going to hear it come out of these speakers.
062. 061.
So, in order to do what I'm doing, I'm going to have to split. I got the cables coming. It's going to be dual males to a single female. And then I'm going to put a four-way splitter on here, which is going to go into, it's a cable that has, looks just like this. It's going to have one male like that at that end, and it's going to have a quad female at this end. I also have a couple like this coming, that are just a little bit better made. And, this is what I'm going to use for now because I only have two speakers, and I want both of these speakers that I put on the B pillars, which came out pretty nice. I want both of these speakers to be able to be heard no matter if it's channel A or channel B. Or actually, this is channel A, this is channel B, because it's got to be the orientation on the head unit right here. So, just some, information on what's going on, guys. I already got them mounted up. I didn't show them, any TikTok videos on, taking them out of the package or anything. Just figured I would take them out the package, go install them, show them after they're installed. I do have a plan to also install two back there on my Ragofab Mole panels, rear cargo bay Mole panels, which are the window panels. But, so I just tucked it back up under the seat, but these speakers did come out nice. I'm going to turn, I have these buttons up here custom set, so area, I want this back at
0606060.
lemon, that's for Tucson. Switch off, then switch back over, so I'm only listening to one channel.
060 059 060.
There you go. Now both of them are going off. Both speakers are running.
061.
And it's hard to see when it's just the audio from the speaker. This one's also on. But just a quick video, guys. You guys let me know what you think. I will see if I can put a link down below for where I got these from. If you guys are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. I'm gonna head inside because it's sprinkling, and it's getting a lot more wet. So I'll see you guys on the next one. You guys have an awesome day.